Okay, hey guys. Okay, so it's pretty late, so I'm not gonna talk that loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm pretty sure the echoes, but I know it's a different location. I got the new Hidrocor Avelas for 2K18. I think the last ones I had were maybe 2016 even. I don't remember. I haven't had the Avelas for a long time. I'll tell you guys details later. Right now I just really wanted it to be more like an unboxing thing, but there. These, yeah, I'm pretty excited because before I had just the green ones, and y'all know I don't, my whole vibe is not the green. Anyways, I just wanted to Alright, what's up? So here's the box that it comes with. Sorry for my hands, I don't have acrylics. I'm gonna get them soon though. So anyways, on the there it says Solotica lentes de contacto. These are the Hidrocor. Those are the only ones that I get because of the limbo ring. Actually, before I take it off, I just want to show you like where it says Hidrocor Avela. I don't need glasses, so I leave it at 0, 0. Okay, so this is what's inside the 2 vials. Oh, and a case. Oh my god, because I just had to buy a new solution. I mean, let's just put that down real quick. This is my old one. Oh shit, I got the Pure Moist. Fuck. I got the Replenish this time because I couldn't remember which one I had, but I mean, it's cool. They do the same thing. I really like the disinfection part and all that because you don't really need to buy another one. At least I don't have to, and I really like Opti-Free. It's really, really hydrating, like I swear. Okay, well anyways, I bought this one because I had a case, but I completely forgot that they come in their own case. So here's a little case, exactly like the other one. Then you get the 2 vials. See where the lens is at. Oh, it's actually all up in there. Oh my god, it's been so long. I'm actually pretty excited now. Do you see that? The yellow? Like, wow, that looks really... I'm just so used to the greens and all that. I'm just like totally forgot about this really nice color. Okay, so this part you have to be really careful that you don't hurt yourself. I have long nails and they're pretty strong, so I can just usually tap it up just how I did, like that. And then very carefully you just want to twist it. I'm actually nervous. Okay, and twist it down. Okay, now I'm just twisting it down and moving it to the side. Boom, just like that. And then this, that's so easy. It's like silicone. Oh, that didn't come out too cute. Okay. This one was way harder. Great. Okay, guys, so now I'm just opening the contact solution, and it's super clean because it just comes out the package, so I don't feel gross about touching it with my washed hands. So let me just put some contact solution in there. I am gonna put them on right now, so after I put them on, I just want to put them in their case. Just putting that in there, putting some in there. Now let's put them on. Okay, so since I don't have any prescription or anything, to me it doesn't really matter. I mean, which one's left, which one's right. I'm pretty sure if you did have a prescription, it would tell you, especially if the prescription varies in eyes. Okay, putting some toilet paper just in case that shit falls in there. So I'm just gonna dump the water out, shake it really good. Oh my god, it looks so good. Looks like a honeyish color. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on the tip of my finger. Okay, darken the lighting just so it focuses more. Everything's normal. It's like really curved. It's a circle. I'm just gonna put this in my eye. Sorry, I just had to show you guys really quick. I just put the Avela into my right eye, and this is what it's looking like. And I literally love it so much. Obviously, this eye looks really small now compared to my really, really dark eye. I love it so much. Okay, wait. Let me just put on the other one while we're here so we can just see it cover up. I didn't really want this video to be all about this because it really depends on different lighting, especially color. So in my mirror, they look amber, like brown. I don't even know if they were like this before, but on camera it's looking a little like brown, but like a little hint of like gray maybe. Let me just put some of the Opti-Free solution. I'm not saying that solution it comes in is bad, but I really like the Opti-Free. It gives me like a fresh feeling. Not minty though. Not minty. I've had those before. But it's just more of a fresh. So it's right here. I think some of the tissue paper. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay. His eye's crying. Let me just bring you guys up. There's way more light near the ceiling. I'm sorry. This eye is crying. It's not painful though. If it's stinging, take them off immediately. Like dead ass. But it's just watering a lot. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I really like the color. They look kind of weird right here. But in the mirror, oh my god, like they look such a sweet honey color. Hey guys, so first off the bat, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored by Vision Marketplace. I do have an affiliate code and link with them, but they didn't send me the lenses this time. They sent me the lenses actually when I did my Hidrocor Ambar video, and I'll leave that video down below. I really do like the company. I feel like they're reliable. It came super fast. I do live in LA area, Valley area, so I believe they used USPS or UPS. I don't know, but that usually comes really fast for me. I think it took a week. Like just a week for it to come here. It came right on time. I had no issues. Everything was in its place in its little box. Shipping wasn't that much actually. And I'll also leave the very first video I did because I don't want to really go over all the information that I spoke in that video. I know the video is a little long, but it just really it really gives you all the info you really need on buying lenses, like especially Solotica lenses, and what websites I've used and which ones I feel like are safe, just like how I based my decision and all that type of stuff. So that first video I'll link, and then I'll link when I got the Ambars and then the comparison between the Avelas and the Ochres, because I also did comparison between those two, and then you guys asked for the Avelas and the Ambars, so I did that. But yeah, you guys have been asking me to try the new Opacity for the Avelas, which while I was on the website on Vision Marketplace and also Lens.me, it doesn't really say that it's a new Opacity. So I think that's like a Piranha Lentes type of thing, because actually let me log into their website, because I remember when I was trying to buy from them, it would always tell you like the different year and stuff like that. So I think that's where people get it from. So let me just look that up really quick. I'm actually on their website right now and I don't see anything, but I'm pretty sure it was from them because I do remember the whole like different year new Opacity thing. These are, I'm assuming, the 2018 new Avelas. So I definitely did notice a difference. Like obviously I don't have them on right now because I really did want to show you guys a difference. Hopefully the lighting stays stable. I'm using natural lighting and sometimes the sun will go down at random moments and come back up. So I think this lighting right now is perfect. I just wanted to show you guys my natural color. I am going to show you guys with one lens in my eye and then the other lens in my eye, just because a lot of people ask me if my dark brown kind of dilutes, I guess I'm gonna use that word, the shade of the contact lens, which does happen. I have talked to people about the Desios because a lot of people want me to try them out. So I did try those. I used caramel brown, and with those, my brown reddish eyes make them really green. So I know they came out with the coffee collection, which I haven't tried. But yeah, hopefully that's all I had to say. I did a little unboxing for you guys, so I'm probably gonna save that for the beginning of this video, just because I do get some questions on how to open them and how it looks like or whatever. So I did do that for you guys, and then I tried them on for the first time as well, and I showed you guys again the contact solution, because that is something that I spoke about before earlier, that when I was looking up for these contact lenses, people wouldn't say what solution they use. So I thought that was really whack. And I mean, that's basically that. I mean, now I'm just gonna show you guys one eye in, and then we'll go on from there for like different lighting and stuff. So okay, just give me a second. I'm gonna put one in, and I gotta wash my hands obviously. So yeah. Okay, so first I wanted to show you guys just with one eye in, and you can totally see the difference. Okay, and I know I wasn't hyping them up so much like in the beginning, but I was obsessed. Like the second that I put them on, I immediately saw the difference. Like they just look, to me personally, way more different than they did. I think it was a year ago the last time that I had them. Up close, obviously I can see all the pixels, but even then, they did a really good job. Like, you know those drawings when they do of like people and they kind of do like darkening of the color, like the spikes going into the eye? You know what I mean, right? You know how like certain people just have like darkening of the color. So it's like not gray, it's like the same shade of the complete lens, but they just darkened it a bit. The pupil, the little hole, is a good size. It's not too tight, which personally I like mine really tight, but at the same time it would kind of give this like really weird look. I mean, just looking at the camera right now, I hope you guys gonna agree that it just looks super natural. And as you can see, it does look like that yellowy goldish color, rather than I feel like a year or two ago it looked definitely more leaning towards a green, and right now it's like the perfect medium between that golden brown shade and hazel. I don't know, I just was dying to like film this video for you guys because I know a bunch of you were asking me on my last videos like which one is better in your opinion. I want to go for ochre because it looks lighter and I really want this really nice like pop of brown, really light brown. Avela looks too dark. Honestly, I feel like if you have my eye shade and you're like even 6 shades darker than me, 5 shades darker than me, 4, this is just like a really good brown because it doesn't have that gray where it's almost zombie-ish and you look washed out. It's really nice and golden. So I mean, definitely like for all those that were scared of looking like a zombie, I've always counted on Avela way more than ochre. I've always said it, like these are definitely my favorite one. And for 2018 opacity, these are definitely like my favorite one. Like I don't even want to bother looking at the rest of them. Let me try to lower the lighting. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like if we were in a dark room. These are my natural eyes and these are with the Avelas. So you definitely get that little pop. Oh, and also a question I get a lot actually is movement. Do they move with your eyes? And yes, they do. So I'm going to be doing a lot of this for you guys when I'm doing my when I have both of them on in the different lightings. Anyways, I'm just gonna pop the other ones in and we're gonna do lighting. That'll basically be the ending of the video. So hopefully I answered most of you guys' questions. Again, if you guys have even more questions or you guys would really want me to get the Desios to compare, or I was actually looking on lens.me and they have this line. I think it's called the Anastasia. I'm kind of thinking about those because I have these one. I think it's LA Mocha or LA Vanilla. Those look really cute, so I'm planning on trying those out. So if you guys are interested in me trying those Desio, Anastasia, or any other brand, I'm completely down for it. So just let me know if you want to see the new opacity on the ochre is really bad and you really want me to compare, or the ambars, just let me know and I'll definitely try my best to get them and do a little comparison really quick. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Just saying goodbye now. Ask me any questions here, my IG or Snapchat. It's all baby girl try. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.